crazy.
Hey Dad, what will happen if we smash this silly string?
We know how to find out. Let's smash it! Very exciting. Oh, hang on, let me grab the camera. It's got silly string everywhere. You ready? Look. Oh! Oh, look, it's bubbling. It's bubbling. Move back here in the light. Come on, focus. Oh, yuck.
Look what I made, a ball.
A ball.
What's kind of
Look at that, it's like bubbling out.
I'm gonna put all this silly string up here.
And it like splatted the camera shield. Yo.
See that?
You see that? It smells like silly string in here. Yes! Oh! There's like silly string everywhere! Oh! Alright, well that silly string was epic, wasn't it? Yeah. Lots of silly string everywhere. And it just like kept bubbling, remember that? Bubbling, 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 bubbling. Anyhow. So for next time we need to cool it down a little bit, don't we? Cool it way down. So what can we do to cool it down?
Ice!
Ice! Put a little piece of ice?
No.
What do we need to do?
A huge piece of ice.
A big old piece of ice, huh? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a big piece of ice for you next time because that ought to cool things down.
Yeah.
Don't you think? So, if you like these videos, what do they need to do?
Comment down below and subscribe.
And subscribe, that's right. And if you have something that you want to see us smash, what do they need to do?
Comment down below.
Comment down below. And we will try to incorporate it into some of our future videos. Until then, come back next time to see us smash it!